Hey, good afternoon, Buddy Bert's Garage. I want to give everybody a little update before I'm gone for a week. I'm going to go up to Western North Carolina and do some volunteer work, trying to help get people back on their feet up there. So I'll be gone all next week. But before I go, I want to give you a quick update, a walk through where I am with the MGB, and so you know where I am. So stand by and we'll flip this around so we can get a good look over. Okay, so I've started putting things back together. I've got all new rubber, so the trunk is not closing very well. I just have it sitting on there, but all the new rubber is going to have to work its way out. I did get the new gas cap on, the Le Mans style gas cap, and started working on the doors, putting all the new. This is all new rubber here for the windows. This is all new rubber around for the door seals. Also, I got the new caps on this side. Can't find a cap for this side, but I have both for the other side. Also, I got the latches back on the body. Started cleaning up the inside. Got to get all the dust out of it, and then I'm going to soundproof everything before I put any carpet or anything in it. So I just want to give you a quick update. I'm going to get the chrome on probably when I get back. I'm working on getting the new headlights in. These are all new rubbers, and I've got to get the correct screws. I can't find the screws that came with it. So once I do that, we'll be able to get the new headlights in. I got all the wiring. I'm starting to work on the engine a little bit, straighten out, see what I've got. I've got some wiring to clean up before I put it all back together. This is the other side. I do want to show you the spoiler, and let me see if you can see the spoiler. Yeah, this is the spoiler right through here. It's got screen in it, and I'm in the process of buttoning all that up. So not quite there yet, but it's getting there. So this side's pretty much where the other side is. Starting to take everything off. I'm going to buff and shine everything once I get everything back. This, I'm not sure if I'm going to replace this or not. I've got to get these out and clean these and repaint them. The dash is in pretty good shape. Just needs to be clean, like everything is. It's really dirty. This cable does work. I've got a new switch for this. So I'll be putting things back together a little at a time. The hood, I did some final sanding on the hood. It was just too windy today to do any painting on it. Had a couple areas that just were bugging me a little bit, so I went over those again. But that's where we stand right now. So I'll be working on this when I get back. But in the meantime, this will give you something to show you that I haven't been standing around doing nothing. But it's coming along a little bit at a time. So look forward to seeing this thing all back together, and forward to getting this thing down on all four wheels and getting it cranked. So that'll be interesting. Thank you. Everybody have a great week. Talk to you soon.